Let me take you to another adventure. Today we'll be visiting Barriokoy in Mangaldan, Pangasinan, a renovated old house which has a lot of charm. If you are like me who likes old houses and architecture, then this is the perfect spot for you to go. It has a lot of Instagrammable spots, especially on their second floor veranda and also on their wide dining space on the first floor. What's special about them is that they have this high tea experience where you order a set meal of food and drinks and you get to eat it at the second floor of the house or restaurant. I think we were the first customers in the morning. We ordered garlic beef, rice meal, and also this spicy chicken Cajun pasta. For drinks, we ordered a Christmas special, a blueberry yogurt, and a matcha strawberry, which their food is definitely amazing. Highly recommend for you to visit this place. Till next time, bye!